In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Jotform with Google Calendar. We'll start inside your Jotform account. Make sure you're signed in on a desktop browser and that you have access to the form you want to connect. This setup links your form submissions to your calendar so new entries can automatically create events, keeping your schedule organized without manual data entry. From the Jotform home screen, locate the form you want to sync. You can click the form's title to open it, or hover over it and choose Edit Form. Pick the specific form that collects the dates and details you want to appear on your calendar, such as appointment requests or event registrations. Once the form builder opens, look along the top for the orange Settings tab. Click that to switch from building the form to adjusting its configuration. Settings is where Jotform manages things like emails, conditions, and in our case, integrations. On the left-hand side of the settings page, select Integrations. This area lists the services Jotform can connect to and includes a search bar to help you find what you need quickly. In the Integrations gallery, search for Google Calendar and select the official Google Calendar integration. This is the tool that lets Jotform send new submission data to your calendar as events. Next, click Authenticate. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to use, ideally the one that owns the calendar where events should be created. Grant the requested permissions so Jotform can add events on your behalf. These permissions are required for the connection to work, and you can review or revoke them later in your Google account settings if needed. If you don't see the sign-in window, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Jotform temporarily. After you finish authentication, you'll return to Jotform with the Google Calendar integration connected. From here, Jotform guides you through the on-screen options so the integration can pull the right submission details into your events. At this point, your form is linked to Google Calendar and ready to create events when new submissions arrive. If anything doesn't look right, confirm you're editing the correct form, that you authenticated with the intended Google account, and that your internet connection is stable. That's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Jotform to Google Calendar, paving the way for streamlined scheduling and fewer manual updates.